First of all, thank y'all for coming. Wilma made a statement earlier that I came 10,000 miles to see her. She loves me. But I would have traveled to the end of the universe to come see her. I asked God to put someone in my life, and He gave me Wilma. Not only did I meet Wilma, but I got a wonderful family in the process. Y'all have made me feel very welcome. Y'all have accepted me into this community. I love every minute of it. And it won't be the last time y'all see me. We will be back. Because I asked Tatai for his blessings, and he gave me his blessings. Thank you. I wanted to marry his daughter. I want to be in her life, in your life, forever. So Wilma, will you marry me?
Hinihiyan na tao. Duha na kami. More than 2 years. Na actually, last year, nagsaring nahiya ako na kung pwede ba kumanhinga kami, pero nasiring up na, Lord, hindi na ba para haakon? Tapos, nagkamay-ala ni offer na naman na ako na ang kumpanya na kailangan kumatuan ako sa Taiwan. So, nautod ako punta last year. Tapos, ang iya tatay, tumawag ka ako kung sa hiya kumanhin na ready na kami kumali ka haamon. We really accept you so much. And kung may doubt ka pa iya, maupod kami iya, kami na iya, pamilya kayo, kami na iya, nanay ng tatay. Sobrang kabuutan niya. 2 years na naghulakiya ako. Nasaring laak, Lord, your plan is greater than my plan. Sabi ko, Lord, I do have a lot of mistakes. Pero napakabuti mo sa akin. Besides that, mga nahimo or mistake na nagawa. Pagkanto ko mga Manila na sila, Lord, kung ano din off, kung ano it mahinabuha ako, maarang ako na ada yung kakaptanin mo ako. Pero doon, nagsuffer ako almost 6 months. Pagkatapos na to, nakita ko na nag-light, nakita ko ang liwanag na simpan God, I will never leave you. You will always be my daughter, and I will always love you. So God's love never fails. So wala